What's up, Kingshot players? Welcome back to the channel. Lately, I've been seeing this method everywhere online. People are saying that you can get unlimited gems in Kingshot using just your phone. No PC, no complicated tools, super easy. That honestly sounded a little too good to be true, so I decided to test it myself and see what really happens. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step, show you exactly what I did, and share the results. The first thing the method asks for is your player ID. It's usually right there in your in-game profile or under settings, easy to spot. I located mine real quick and copied it so it was ready for the next step. Nothing confusing here, just a basic setup step. After that, I opened my phone's browser, Chrome this time, but any browser's fine. I headed to the site people keep mentioning and searched for the Kingshot Unlimited Gems hack. Everything loaded clean, with no pop-ups or sketchy redirects. That already felt like a good sign. On the page, I selected my platform. I'm on Android, but iOS was an option too. Then I pasted in my player ID and made sure everything looked correct before continuing. Once I tapped the button, the site showed a short connection process with loading messages and animations. Everything ran smoothly without crashing or freezing. After that, I was asked to choose how many resources I wanted. For this test, I went with a maximum amount just to see if anything would actually happen. When I confirmed, the page ran through a few progress bars showing different steps being completed. The layout was clean and easy to follow. Before finishing, there was a quick verification step. The site explains this clearly and even provides a simple walkthrough, so it wasn't confusing at all. I already completed that part earlier, so let's skip ahead to the results. To see if it worked, I reopened Kingshot and checked my gems. The extra gems were already there. No delays, no restarting the game. It updated instantly on my device. I honestly didn't expect it to be that smooth. So, based on my test, the method did exactly what it claimed. The process was simple, mobile-friendly, and easy to follow if you pay attention to the steps. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like, share it, and subscribe for more real tests and honest reviews. And if you've tried this yourself, let me know how it went in the comments. I check them all. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.